Every people in the world know well about the dangerous disease in the name of cancer. In the last 30 years, heart disease used to be the #1 killer, with 26.1% of death. But cancer makes 26.7% of death and became #1 in last a few years. In order to the most dangerous cancer and no way to treat is lung cancer. And the cancer that women are afraid of is breast cancer. People who are receiving any kinds of cancer should know about treatment, how long for treatment, and the side effect, how it feels, and something is wrong with the body, and how to live with cancer. Don't be panic is the words that doctor always says to patient who is receiving cancer, because right now, there are 3 ways to treat. First, people are usually treated by surgery because there is the easiest way to treat and the cheapest cost to pay, and the result of surgery is around 80% and up. Secondly, chemotherapy is the other way to treat, but this way has many side effects, which are losing weight and often unconscious. Also, this way is the most expensive way to treat. However, this is the popular way that people want to be treated. Then, the result of this way is about 65% or less, which is enough for cancer's patient. Third, radiotherapy is also the way to control the cancer too, but this way has side effects, more than chemotherapy, which is losing hair. Patient who is treated this way must be in the most dangerous step of cancer. Regarding 2 steps of cancer's condition, there are 4 steps. Beginning step, second step, dangerous step, and most dangerous step. Patient who is in the first 2 steps can be treated by surgery, but patient who is in the last 2 steps must be treated by chemotherapy or radiotherapy, depend on doctors. In order to condition of cancer, patients who are just receiving cancer, they're not going to know in first 2 steps, because in first 2 steps there is no condition of cancer. On the other hand, the last 2 steps are very important because they cannot sleep at night, always cough, get tired easily, and strongly breath. Living with people with cancer is comfortable because it is not a contagious disease, but it is a hereditary disease. We can live normally with cancer patient because it's not communicable. The patients who just know they are receiving cancer must be afraid of death. So we have to console them, give them a morale. For example, say something to them like, "Don't be afraid, doctor can help you." And at least they'll feel comfortable and better. Every disease can be happened by every people. Some of them, we can be made a treatment by a doctor. Some of them, we cannot. If you are in the most dangerous step of cancer, and you already knew that you only have 3 weeks left, what are you going to do? Surely you will say, "I will do anything I want." But you forget something. You are in the coma, in the hospital, and you are breathing slowly, and you have oxygen on your mouth. You are waiting for death. That is the answer. In order to cancer, 26.7% of death is a lot of numbers more than heart disease, which is 26.1% of death. Cancer is now the #1 killer disease, and that is the fact.